Once you have applied for OCI or you have applied for reissue of OCI, how to check and where to check the status of your application. For that, you would by now know this website. This is the official website for the OCI application. And in this website, you have this status inquiry section. Once you come here, okay, so your application must be in process, and only then you will be able to check the detail, and you will only get to see this once there is an acknowledgement that your application has been received. And before you start to check the status inquiry, make sure you're waiting for at least 60 days from the time you have applied. So 4 to 6 weeks time is a general timeline by which the application process usually would happen. In certain circumstances, when it is going beyond that date, that's when you should worry about not getting any status update. So for the status update inquiry, what is the prerequisite? You need to have a file reference number for your application. So file reference number, you would be able to see on the PDF document on top right corner, you will find this file reference number. In that case, you can check how to do that. I will let you know in a minute. So come to this status inquiry and then click proceed. You'll come to this page. Here you'll have to enter your passport number and the file reference number, and then enter the CAPTCHA to get the status. In case you don't have or you don't remember the file reference number, don't worry. In that case, you can come here and click. You'll have to enter your date of birth here in this field, and then the passport number, and then the CAPTCHA. So once you do this and press enter here, you will get the file reference number. So with that file reference number, you'll be able to check your status. So this is about checking the status. In case there is a delay, which should not be happening unless there is a reason for to be delayed, usually 4 to 6 weeks is the timeline by when the OCI would come after it has been received. In case there is a delay of more than 2 months, reach out to this website. So this is for Toronto jurisdiction I'm showing, and in case you're not able to reach them, then as a last resort, this is the Government India website, mother.gov.in. So they have given a clear guidelines on how to go and reach them. So you can check this guideline here. All the details are given here, and this way you will be able to get the update.